Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into the Tooljet step by step using the official website. So let's get started. First, open any web browser. As you can see, I have opened the Google from the Chrome. Now at the search bar, type Tooljet AI, then tap on the enter or search button. Within it will show the visuals of the toolset. You can just choose the official page. On the home screen, you will see options like login and book a demo. Click on the login button. This will take you to the Tooljet login page. As you can see, I have saved the details prior, so it is autofilled. But in some cases, if you don't save it, you must fill the fields with the registered email address and valid password. Please make sure to choose the same method that you use when creating your account. After filling the details, tap on the sign in. In some cases, Tooljet may also send a verification link or code to your email. You can just open your email and complete the verification if required. Once verified, you will be logged in. As for me, it does not require, so I have successfully logged into the account where I have been redirected to the Tooljet dashboard and I can start building the app, and that's how you can easily log into the Tooljet. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more simple tutorials.